ZAGG Rugged Book iPad Pro 11 M4. Can it really replace a laptop? Frustrated that your sleek iPad feels fragile and your keyboard cases fall short? You expect productivity, yet you're stuck worrying about drops and clunky typing. It's like carrying power, but never unlocking it. Ever felt your tools are slowing you down instead of pushing you forward? Drop a comment if this frustration sounds all too familiar. Stress piles up when protection and performance can't coexist. Maybe your gear cracks after one fall, or your pro keyboard lags mid-report. Instead of confidence, you get anxiety. But picture this: gear tough enough to survive real drops, yet smooth enough for late-night essays or on-site reports. Imagine taking back control without adding chaos to your workflow. The ZAGG Rugged Book for iPad Pro 11-inch M4 flips that struggle into strength, combining military-grade durability with laptop-class typing. Drop-tested to 6.6 feet, its polycarbonate shell shields against shocks, dust, and hard landings, whether on a job site or in a coffee shop. The magnetic hinge locks in multiple viewing angles, so you can type, sketch, or stream without awkward balancing. Backlit, laptop-style keys deliver crisp strokes in 7 colors, making late-night writing sessions surprisingly enjoyable. Multi-device pairing means you can jump between your iPad, iPhone, or Mac with a tap, no repairing mess. One construction manager shared how it survived concrete drops while letting him update blueprints in real time, while a student loved switching from essay drafts to quick phone replies. The detachable design transforms it from laptop mode to reading mode instantly. And the battery? Up to 2 years on a charge, so you barely think about it. Here's one way it saved the day. A field worker finished a storm report on site after a spill. No damage, no downtime. Keep reading for a hidden trick to extend your iPad's protection and performance. What makes the rugged book stand out isn't just durability. It's the balance of power and protection. A tech expert praised it as the rare case that doesn't force you to choose between safety and productivity. Influencers highlight the detachable backlit keyboard as a game changer, letting them type on planes or detach for tablet sketching. Analysts frame it as a smart alternative to rugged laptops, offering protection and laptop-grade keys at a fraction of the cost. Users back it up, a project manager said. It survived concrete drops and kept me working on site like nothing happened. A grad student shared, typing my thesis feels natural, and the backlight saves me during midnight sessions. Business buyers rave about issuing them to field staff, noting fewer broken iPads and faster reporting. Sure, it adds heft compared to slim folios, but most call the trade-off worth it for peace of mind. The result? A case that doesn't just protect, but empowers. Which feature would matter most to you? Drop-proof design, laptop-style keys, or multi-device pairing? Comment below, because your workflow deserves a setup that works as hard as you do. Thousands have already upgraded their iPad Pro setups with the ZAGG Rugged Book. Why wait to protect and transform yours? This isn't just another case. It's a laptop-class keyboard, 6.6 feet of protection, and battery life that outlasts your schedule. Stock is moving quickly, and every day without it leaves your iPad at risk. Click now to secure yours and unlock a bonus tip on making your typing flow smoother than you thought possible. Don't just watch. Jump in and upgrade today.